Hi everyone and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. What's today's date?
Today's the 16th of March.
Yeah, 16th of March. I want to show a little shopping haul that we did yesterday and today. We don't go shopping at just one store. We go here and there and just get deals. So to start it off first, yesterday at Sam's Club, they had there, and I can't say it, Ricky will.
Filet mignon.
It ain't showing. Yeah, and it was pretty good price, and they was also cooking some, and it's so good and tender. That's going to be on a video that I'm filming tonight. And then I get my tea there, that decaffeinated. And so that was pretty much it at Sam's. So then I went to Winn Dixie. They were having their digital coupon thing. So these Rice Crisps, of course they're chocolate, but was 99 cents with a digital coupon. And then their macaroni and cheese was $1 each, but then I had a digital coupon for $1 off of 4. So 75 cents, and this is good to have around for like lunches or when Alex works late and he wants something to go with his food. What else do we get at?
Aldi.
No, at Kroger. And then they had their Pop-Tarts on sale. I got one of those. But I'm going to be kind of switching around. This was at Aldi. They got their chips. Y'all, people laugh at me, especially my kids and my nephews, at how I eat these. Because they're so salty, I'll take one chip out and wipe all the salt off of it before I eat it. And then they had their asparagus on sale that I'm cooking tonight with the steaks. How much was it?
$1.69.
$1.69. And then they had their red potatoes that I'm making tonight for
$1.99 for 3 pounds.
Yeah. And then back at Kroger, they had their crackers digital coupon for 99 cents. And then the Snuggle, the kind of big things of Snuggle right here, fabric softener. It was 2 for $11, and I had a coupon for $1 off. So that was a great deal. Back at Aldi, Ricky's wine.
$2.86.
Yep. And then a new grocery store that opened up near us. It's called Lidl. And yes, I did look up the pronunciation, and that's how you say it. It's kind of like an Aldi market with the kind of thing, but they have more stuff, more organic things and everything. So they had the chicken tenders 30% off, so I got a pack of that. They had this, the sockeye salmon fillets.
For $4.49, it's like half price.
Yep. And I know y'all keep probably seeing this cookies. Alex bought those at Walmart. And the cabbage was 40 cents a pound. Cooking that tonight, and that there will be a video on that. It's cabbage steaks. And then sugar for $1.30. I love freeze-dried fruit. They had this big bag of the freeze-dried strawberries for $2 or something. And that was cheap. And this is a big bag. And then just some non-stick cooking spray. That was a little over $1. Ricky's M&M's. He loves M&M's. They had them on sale. And just these Norris pasta sides. My daughter likes to eat these for a quick lunch. I do too sometimes. And they had that on sale.
66 cents.
66 cents. Ricky wanted to try their tuna. And their canned vegetables are actually pretty good. They're French style green beans. And their lima beans, which usually are not good in a can. They're pretty good. For like 30 cents. 40 cents.
Bananas, 39 cents.
Yep. And then I got 2 of these because they had their diapers. a 31 pack for $2.99. So could not pass that up. Had to get those. So got 2 of those. And let's see. And got some mushrooms. So I think that's about it. We just go shopping where the deals are and everything. Like I say, we don't just go to one place. So, and we're really liking Lidl. Really liking it, and great prices. And this is just from the Dollar Tree yesterday. With Easter coming up, just buying up some light little prizes and stuff. And then of course my gloves. It's a great deal on that. And then the Mama Cat's food. So anyway, thanks for watching as I do a shopping haul. Be looking forward to the videos coming up with the steak and the asparagus and the cabbage. And I hope y'all enjoy. Bye y'all. Oh, here's Possum, if y'all haven't seen her in a while. Say hey, baby. They're getting so big.